During the summer of 2022, Goodfellow Bros hired 7 interns from the University of Hawaii. Each of us was assigned to a different project throughout the Oahu region. This is the story of our summer.
Aloha, my name is Dia Bongalan and I'm a senior at the University of Hawaii at Manoa studying civil engineering. My responsibilities include filing and sending daily job hazard analysis and production analysis reports, attending subcontractor meetings, coordinating with vendors, ordering materials, and conducting autonomous drone flights weekly. The way we are treated is one of my favorite features of this internship. As an intern, I am aware that GBI values learning and development. Furthermore, as a member of several engineering student organizations at school, GBI consistently supports and funds a wide range of events. I observed and noted GBI's continuous attendance and presence at campus and felt that they genuinely cared about our education and extracurricular activities. Despite having learned a great deal, I still have a lot to learn. GBI has provided me with a solid foundation for my career in the construction sector.
Hi, my name is John Bilen and I chose GBI because of the reputation they have built with having their centennial anniversary just last year in 2021.
I think it is great to be part of a company that has been in the business for this long. It shows that they have the knowledge and experience in the construction industry. The panels that will later be installed on this project will generate electricity to upcoming homes and businesses in the area. I'm glad to be a part of a project that helps lead the way to an environmentally friendly future.
It's great to experience the different stages of civil construction, from looking at plans to seeing it get built in the field.
Aloha, my name is Keone Yamanouchi, and this summer I was blessed with the opportunity to intern with Goodfellow Bros on their Kamehameha School's Punaluu Valley Restoration Project. Some of the responsibilities that I had consisted of planning, doing takeoffs, going over cost reports, gathering permits, picking up materials, working with subcontractors, and attending weekly meetings. In addition to that, GBI also helped me to obtain my drone remote pilot certificate with the FAA. With the drone license, I was able to survey the large sites such as Punaluu Valley, Parcel 1, and AES Solar Farm. I myself, along with several other interns, came from the design side of the civil industry. Being able to apply prior knowledge with the new information being taught has helped me to grasp a better understanding of the civil engineering field. I chose GBI because of their established culture, stress on safety, and the mission of making a positive impact on this place we call home. Overall, my experience with GBI has been nothing but positive. It helped me to realize that the civil industry is more than just numbers, making deadlines, and completing a project.
Hello, my name is Zachary Rabe and I'm one of GBI's new summer interns. I have been assigned to 3 different projects this summer and today we're at Wheeler.
It is a great learning experience for me to see the different stages in heavy civil construction since each project is handling different tasks and are in different stages of their development. At GBI, there is a standard of excellence known as the GBI way. This ideology is fundamental to the success of the company because we choose to go above and beyond in hopes of leaving the customer happy and satisfied with our final product.
I chose GBI because of their strong work culture and their dedication to excellence. Day in and day out, I believe that the work that I'm doing is helping the project move forward.
Hi, my name is Seth Coburn and this summer I had the opportunity to intern with GBI on the Kalailoa Parcel 1 project.
GBI University, an online GBI learning site, taught us how to use programs such as Vista and HCSS, which we regularly use on the project. The different learning modules taught us how to navigate through the programs and how to complete various tasks. In addition to GBIU, we also had weekly in-person training where we learned how to read plans, use blue beams, and trenching safety, just to name a few. These trainings helped me have a better understanding of what to expect in the field and office.
Overall, my experience this summer gave me a new perspective on the construction industry. GBI embodies the Hawaiian value lokahi, which means unity. It takes a group collective to complete the job at hand, and regardless of their position, everyone works together to produce the best product for our customers.
My name is John McKay. and I chose to intern with GBI this summer because I wanted to work for a heavy civil contractor who was well respected in the industry and in Hawaii. I have enjoyed learning about the scope of work involved, particularly how a project is estimated, bid, executed, and finalized. As part of the internship, we are taking on weekly vendor tours where we get to see how our vendors manufacture materials for us and also get to shake hands with company representatives that we will be doing business with now and in the future. The relationships that GBI has with their vendors shows why they are a century-old company. They take great pride in the communities in which they live and work. They care about their employees, and they believe in an honest job well done. I'm extremely proud to be a part of a 101-year-old company and a member of the Goodfellow Brothers team. This summer has been a great internship experience.
Hi, my name is AJ Escalante. I'm currently interning at the Salt Lake Boulevard Road Widening Phase 3A project.
In my recent experience and time with GBI, I realized that safety always comes first. We take pride in looking out for everyone's health and safety and making sure everyone makes it home safely. I chose GBI because of the culture that's been established with great work ethics and for creating a family-like bond that makes our working environment easier and fun. This town of Salt Lake is where I grew up from my childhood and all throughout high school. To be back here and do a project that will be good for the city, it is such an amazing feeling that I will forever remember I was a part of this team.
I'm so very thankful for this opportunity.